Some people can literally hear their eyeballs move. It's called superior canal dehiscence syndrome. And yes, it's as weird as it sounds. Because of a small hole in the inner ear, your brain picks up sounds it normally wouldn't, like your eyes moving. Also, footsteps, even your heartbeat. Imagine hearing every blink echo in your head all day long. Doctors can fix it surgically, but some people keep it because it's like a freaky superpower. So, can you hear your eyes move? Follow for more weird science your body's hiding.